the 2008 BMW M3. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.